Hello, good day. Angelo Santos here, and today I will show you how you can change your subdomain on Groove Pages, your free subdomain. So I am taking this template as a demo. I did not publish it with my subdomain yet, so I will just try to put this on the subdomain or the Groove Pages subdomain, and I will say to set a folder name. So this will be like a test demo. So let's just try to publish this one, and let's wait for the green confirmation to be on this bottom right section of the page. So that's what you need to wait for. Let's just wait for a couple of seconds. It will be just appear here. Alright, so it's now published. So if we go click this link here, it will go to our page, right? And then suddenly you decided you want to change your subdomain, GroovePages subdomain. So you go to the edit settings. So see, this is Angelo1. Well, change it. Choose your free GroovePages subdomain. So changing it to another subdomain, take note that if you have a similar name on setting up your subdomain, it will not work. So if it sometimes work, it sometimes not, because sometimes you have similar names to specific subdomains. So if I just try to put Ange, let's say save it. I see it says saving. Let's wait for the confirmation if this is available, and yep. As you can see that you have changed your subdomain, it will reflect on this side. If it does not reflect here, that means your subdomain name is already been taken, or it is not available to be your subdomain. So please take a note of that. So if you have changed your subdomain, just hit update here, and you can see this is still under this Angelo subdomain. So you need to unpublish it first. You need to unpublish it and just publish it with your new GroovePages subdomain, which is the Edge, right? And it will be the same folder, and you just need to, let's close this, publish it again. So now it is ange.groovepages.com, and you see that it automatically gets updated. And let's just wait for, maybe I did not set it up because it's still seeing this one. It's a bit interesting. If you say Ange here, right? Okay, so still go with Ange. It's a little bit more of a glitch right now, but if we try to reload this one, okay, we go click here. Now it changes to the Ange. So I believe you just need to reload it. Once you have changed your GroovePages subdomain, you publish you first unpublish it for your former GroovePages subdomain, and publish it with your new GroovePages subdomain, and you just need to reload it to just reflect it on your actual link here, because it's not updating on my end. So that would be setting up your changing your GroovePages subdomain, and I hope that helps. And have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.